Hello everyone, welcome to our daily stream, and this is the last stream for this week. We'll resume the streams again on Monday. So we are going to take a brief and quick look on the Bitcoin price, on Ethereum price, and maybe some other altcoins. Also, we'll decide in the moving. Today is Friday, and Fridays are days that I rarely trade. I don't like trading the last day of the week simply because the chances of manipulation are higher compared to the other days of the week. This is my personal opinion. I am mentioning only for informational purpose. So what we have on the chart right now on the BTC price. So, and yet again, this level held the BTC again. You see, we had the test of this level and Monday low. Even though I removed it during the stream yesterday, I saw in the evening that this Monday range, even though it's played out range, it's still respected by the price action. So I put the high and Monday low and Monday high back on the chart, and I will keep it until something else appears. So you can see that this level held the BTC price jump bump in combination, of course, with the OT zone. This is our optimal trade entry level. You can see this is our golden pocket, and the price is currently bouncing from this level. But if we draw, you can see our current week profile, volume profile. Let me draw it. Just a second. We can see that if we have any correction, this move here, you can see we have again the same local grinding, uptrend grind with higher low, higher low, and so on. And here are the first sign again that we have the first lower high here. And currently, if the price breaks this low here, for me, not this one, most likely the price will go for collecting the liquidity buildup here, and will make a pullback towards 96,000, 95 and 500 again. I expect this level, if this is our first, you can see we don't have higher high here, we have lower high, lower lows. If this is our first higher low here again, I expect this level to hold the price. If the price wants to go to the upside, of course. If it fails, most likely this time Monday low won't hold the price, and we'll see another lower low, most likely tower around $94,000. If this level holds the price, I expect the price over the weekend at least levels around, or today around 98,000, 99,000 to be tested, of course, if this level holds the price. Just a second. If we put our golden Fibonacci tool, you can see that there is alignment again. So this is additional confirmation for this level. Don't enter trades blindly. Wait for a reaction, and market structure shifts on the lower time frames. In our case, it will be 1 minute. What else can we see here? If I draw volume profile on this, from this spike, from this impulse, we can see that currently that the price is likely to reverse from this value area high, because it's also but golden pocket of the retracement to the upside. Basically, Bitcoin is in very choppy trending, of very choppy price action at the moment, and it's not recommended to hold longer positions. That's why we have to focus on intraday scalp positions. So this is what I see on the zoom in view on the Bitcoin chart. Another thing I wanted to show you, if we zoom out, you can see that the price action is in crazy sideways at the moment, but there is chances to form a reversal pattern here. It's called Adam and Eve. It's basically something like that. We have sharp V-sharp recovery and then rounding bottom. This rounding bottom mustn't be lower than the Eve Adam's bottom. So right now it's forming, according to me, that there are pretty high chances to form this rounding bottom right here, and next week, if we have something like this, when the price takes out 102 and 300,000, if I want to mark this proposition, if this happens here and if the price breaks here, most likely we are going to see testing 106,000 and even maybe a new all-time high, but only if this happens. For now this is still forming, but it took my attention. I wanted to share it with you. Basically, this is our Monday range. Here you can see we have another range, our previous weekly high and low range. This is our first zoomed out range. Right now price is trying to hold the mid of this equilibrium level of this range as a support. We're gonna see if it will happen or not. If we zoom out, if we continue to zoom out, we have additional range. This is our other range. This is our previous monthly range. You can see. And let me show you something else. If we extend this range here, this is the original range here that we talked about on our first stream. You can see that in this range, on a higher time frame, this price action is nothing significant and it's perfectly normal. We are still in this big macro range, so nothing spectacular is happening. But I haven't checked the volume profile of this range, so you can see that we are trending right. There is fight between the bulls and bears to control the price. You can see that our major resistance is aligning with the level I mentioned, 102, 103,000. And if we lose Monday low, most likely the support level will be the other level I mentioned earlier, around 93,000 and 92,800 for now. As you know, volume profile levels are changing depending on the price action, and it's always moving its value area high and value area low, depending the price and depending the time of the price is spending in the value area, between the value area high and the value area low. Okay, this is for the Bitcoin price. If we check, let's check Ethereum, what's going on there. Let's zoom out a bit. You can see Ethereum is also holding this level here, previous weekly value area low and previous daily, but this is already not previous daily value area low. So I simplified the price action to this range right now. You can see our first higher low here, then we took out the high that has given that low, and price reached the first important high here and created equal highs. It didn't take it. So this is basically our first target here if the price holds, because after this breakout here, or after this taking out of this high, the price literally made the perfect correction to the golden pocket and filled the imbalance that gave the last impulse move to the upside. You can see right now price is getting some reaction right from the middle of the range. So if the price comes back again to here, I expect it's to be supported here. It's important because if we zoom in, the liquidity of this, let me show you clearly. We already took the liquidity from this low, you see here, and in the next correction I expect the price to be held, to be supported around here, 2064, 6030, and then to make another attack to the upside, targeting the equal high levels. And I even expect the price, I take this as a range low sweep. I may be wrong, we're gonna see it together, but I still believe the target will be $2019 mark. If it fails, of course, if we break down, as you know, we are expecting the price to test in a bearish case, to test this green box area, which is the 50% of the big wick from the big drop. This is for Ethereum, because let me check the volume profile, what's happening with it. You can see the price is currently again on a choppy zone. You now have the additional level, support level. If the price loses this level here, the next important support is right here, located around 2585. So watch for it. What else I can show you? I want to show you SUI again. You see here, it's perfectly following after let me extend the value area low, the value area. You can see the price is almost hitting our first target around $3.70 mark. This was our first target of this pair, and I even expect the price to reach at least the $4 mark. 4 and 4.40 are the two targets for me for this pair. Nothing to worry about right here. We may see another correction, maybe towards 3.30, 35, and then shoot to the upside. Hopefully we're gonna check it again on Monday. Something else, what can we take a look? We can take a look at Solana. By the way, I am seeing something spectacular right here on this meme coin. Let's check out what's going on. look what 50% is what was the number? 18% increase is literally nothing compared to this downside move. You can see nothing to check here. Let's check Solana. Solana is still squeezing, and what can I say as a comparison? It's still snailing at this level of value area low, if you remember, trying to hold big time the support level and our golden pocket level. So I don't like that we are creating so many equal high relative equal lows. Sorry, this, if we check this, you can see none of them is taken out. See, check, and this last one as well. None of these lows have swept the previous, so this is potential target level for the market makers. And for the upside, I think the liquidity will be taken if the price, of course, is going to higher levels. First, it makes sense to take out this liquidity pool here from these lows, and then price to shoot toward 215 at least locally. And you remember, if we see some bullish price action, this will be our first major level to watch out. $215, $220 mark. Okay guys, I think this is enough for the last stream of the week. As you see, nothing important has happened since yesterday. To be honest, I wish you a very good day and beautiful weekend to everyone, and I'll wait for you on Monday again. See you guys, bye.